My name is Terry. I'm in ninth grade and I'm 15.
Okay. How did you get involved with RAMP?
I got involved through suggestion. My uncles are Mr. Tavon and Mr. Barnard, and they suggested me into the program, and that's how I'm here today.
Okay. What is one thing you really like about RAMP?
One thing I really like is the experience that we get and the fact that we get to learn so many things about different jobs and careers. And it could really help us later on in life when we finally have to decide what we want to do.
Okay. What have you learned in RAMP about preparing for careers in your future?
I've learned that maybe just settling with one thing isn't the best. Try going with all these different, experimenting with a lot of different careers to find out which one you like the most. Because because everyone has a job that they can be good at.
What are your long-term goals?
Well, I don't really have many long-term goals, but I guess one of them would be to make it past high school and get into college and find out what type of job I want to have.
Has RAMP helped influence your goals of going to college?
Yes, it has, especially today, because I learned that there's also many possibilities that come with college. And the fact that you can always change your minor or your major.
You said you learned that today. What
And-
happened today?
Well, and the degrees. We talked to a 20-year-old college student named Shadi. She talked to us about what she does, how she's invested into she invested into a lot of sports throughout her life to figure out which one she liked the most, and how she's well known and even well sought after by many colleges. How she's become a very responsible person. She talked about how I think she said majoring for criminology, and she's also in the Innocence program, which helps those who are wrongfully accused to get the justice they deserve.
Does having those guest speakers come in and share their experiences help you as you think about your future?
Yes, it does help me because there's so many possibilities, and learning about one type of job from this one person, then another type of job from this type of person. If you have the right personality, mindset, if you really just would like that, you can go with that. But we also get a new guest speaker almost every time, which means that we're always going to keep learning and learning and learning about these different jobs.
Okay. What would your advice be to other young people who want to prepare for the workforce?
My advice would be, 1, to start early. 2, to just experiment. Maybe get a job when you turn 16 or 15. Community service, that can give you some experience. School, that really counts as a job too. So if you take school seriously, then you should do pretty well at a job.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to share about your experience with RAMP?
RAMP has overall given me a very positive experience, and I love the program. I love what they do, and I will continue to come here and do it, and come to listen to the speakers and be attentive, because every day that I come here, it's a new learning experience.
All right. Thank you.